Don't bite. Don't bite. Nope.
Good morning. It's a beautiful Sunday today. Today's episode is going to be on how to buy physical precious metals. So before I get into my episode, a little background. I started investing in physical precious metals last year, and I started out real small. I started out with silver. So with my strategy, I pretty much, as you can see, silver is at $17. I'm gonna go one by one and show you each historical charts on gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. Where I'm at, where I feel comfortable, where my price range is at for investing is silver. Low range, high range, platinum. For gold and palladium, I won't touch because it's just, to me, they're so high. And once I show you the historical charts back from the 90s, all the way 90s till up until now, well, it was the 90s up until about before the 2008 crash, that if I would have known about investing in physical precious metals then, but now that I'm a late bloomer, I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. But I started investing in physical precious metals last year. What got me the confidence to start investing in physical precious metals is pretty much from stocks. I started researching mining stocks that were mining precious metals. I pretty much got a sector on mining companies, and then also I started going into the individual ETFs to find out ETFs are companies that invested solely in precious metals, which to me are gold, silver, palladium, and platinum. So those four are what I'm investing in. Since I'm on the lower end of the spectrum, pretty much I'm invested more in silver. So I'm in silver and in platinum. I'm gonna show you. I started out with 1 troy ounce of silver, but I have that in San Francisco in California. I'm also going to give that away to the most creative, strategic comment listed down below. But I'm gonna show you my I started, once I got the courage to buy the 1 troy ounce, I went to 5 troy ounces, as you can see here. So that's my 5 right here. Oh man, make sure I get that right. So this is my 5, and this is silver. So this is 5 troy ounces, and then I moved up to 10 recently. And I did all this I purchased these precious metals with credit. I got a video where it shows you how to purchase precious metals with credit cards. Specifically, I invest in precious metals with my Capital One credit card. So now that I'm understanding how to invest in silver, I think my price range now for silver is going to be 1 kilo, which is 35 troy ounces. But on here, they'll give you 32 ounces instead of 30, so they short you 3. But the price range is pretty much the same, because I was going to buy 3 of these, which would come out to close to about 1,600, and that's 30 troy ounces. Or I could do 1 kilo, which is 32 to 35 troy ounces, and that'll put me below 600. So pretty much I'm winning with the kilo. So that's my strategy now, from now on, is buying in kilos. So, and then I also purchased one troy ounces for pretty much giveaways. So that's how I'm gonna start motivating people to understand like what it feels like to own these physical precious metals. So let's get into it. Okay, gold. Let me bring me back. It just disappeared. So pretty much with gold, let me move me to the side over here. Okay, that chart's there. Okay, boom. Okay, with gold, I go straight to the all. I like to look at everything. So this is from back from 1988 all the way to today. I mean, as you can see, like I was pretty much a teenager, went into the army about here. I didn't start mature. Honestly, I didn't really start maturing till around here, mentally. You know, I had a kid mentality. I didn't grow up with a father that showed me the way. Everything I've learned in life is through trial and error. So I didn't really start maturing until like 2 years ago. And then I started to understand, oh shit, but I missed this whole wave right here. I think we all did, you know, except for the ones that's been in the game for a minute. So for me, to invest, like as you can see, it's peak, almost $2,000 a troy ounce for gold. I mean, for me to invest in gold, it had to be like around the thousands, low thousands, for me to invest. It's just really too high for. I mean, it went from here to up there. That's why I'm pretty much waiting for it to drop. Okay, the next precious metal is silver. Go to the all. As you can see, back in 1988, I mean, look how all the way. I think it's after the market crash, everything started to pick up after that. So before that crash, precious metal skyrocket, and the peak for silver, if I can catch it, about $47. And then as you can see now, like I would pretty much, my number for gold is to purchase under $10. So, but for me to invest in silver, I feel like for me I'm comfortable with investing in silver. So I mean, right now the price range is good. Anything under 15, perfect. You know, but I'll still anything honestly under 20. But I mean, as you can see, like back when I missed that wave. Oh man, I missed it. So that's silver. That's where I'm at. Also with platinum, I'm going to all. The peak for platinum is about 2100. So I mean, as you can see, since 1988 also with gold, silver, platinum, look how low it was. And then once 2008 hit, the market crashed, precious metals just skyrocketed. You know, probably the fear of thinking the stock market or the government system was going to go out. So I mean, and that's why I invest in physical precious metals now, because I see, like, I mean, that's, to me, that's panic. You know, that's like, oh shit, you know, this system's going down. Okay, we're gonna have to fall back on physical precious metals. So that's why I'm now understanding, like, to jump on physical, allocate funds that I have for physical precious metals. And I bought pretty much under about 700 to 800 bucks, or $800 to $900 for 1 troy ounce. This is where I'm at on the high end. I won't go any higher if it's more than 1,000. So that's where I'm playing with platinum at right now, on the lower end, under 900 bucks. 800, 900. That's my range for 1 troy ounce of platinum that I will invest. Anything higher, I won't. And then lastly is palladium. Go to the all. Since 1980, I mean, look how low it. For palladium spiked during the .com era, as you can see, 2000. It's peaking now, so I'm pretty much staying clear from it. As you can see, the upward trend for it. But pretty much 500 to about 750, I'll purchase palladium. But you know, once it hit that 1,000, I'm gonna see where in the future, like once it starts going down to about under 1,000, I'll purchase palladium. But until then, way too high for me for palladium. Okay, so let me go back to the home page. So my strategy, what I do is I buy 1 kilo 1 kilo silver bar. They got the stackables, but I'm not a big fan of the stackables. I think I'm more. Let me see what I'm more accustomed to. Yeah, see the kilos right here, the stackables. This one, I like the struck. And then the structs, they, as you can see, they go for 5. So 584. I mean, this is what you get right here. 1 kilogram of silver. So that's where I'm at. Let's look at the stackable. See what the stackables are going for. Oh, see, they're currently out. So yeah, stackables are out. But that's what they look like. You just stack them. Boom, boom, boom. I just like the presentation on the struck. The 1 kilo, the struck style. So, and that's how you invest in physical precious metals. So that's all I got for today. I just wanted to share with you guys the importance of investing in physical precious metals. So until tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow is stocks, ETFs, and REITs. Have a good one. See you tomorrow.